So here we are back at Urban Works, where we have the Elantra N under the light for this modification. If I didn't say it before, the modification is right in here. In this mysterious black box that came from Australia lies nothing. Right here we have, for the Elantra N platform, we have M-style mirror caps that will make this car BMW. Look at these things. We have the full carbon fiber Adro kit. And on top of that, we've got some big carbon fiber pieces ordered coming for the Turbo Trouble Elantra N. Oh, and we also have a full, hold on. Let's see. And the Lord said, let there be light. A full Nositech wrap coming for the Elantra N. Anyway, so now that I've given you guys a little bit of a trajectory as to where the Turbo Trouble Elantra N build is going, and now you know that I've committed to the build because I've ordered the parts, I've spent the money, etc. Okay, now that that's all done, we got some alcohol right here to clean the surface. We've got these mirror caps. Should be a simple install. Go ahead and take a dry one, wipe off all that's left over, and we should have a nice and clean surface. We got the M-style mirror cap going right onto this. I'm gonna take the 3M tape, just leave it down like that, hanging out, so we can pull that one out last and then take these all the way off. All right, so we've got the one side on. Now I'm gonna turn the car around and do the other side. So, same thing but on this side now. And just like that, we have both of the M-style mirror caps installed on the new Elantra N. As for my thoughts, I love the way they look on the outside. I think that this little aggressive swoop, whoop, right there perfectly goes with the way that we swoop, whoop with the Adro wing. But on the inside, I don't really like this right here. Bothers me. Something about it to me just looks like kind of cheap, kind of like I just really did stick an overlay on. This looks, I mean, just so aggressive, looks so nice. But even from back here, I mean, that looks pretty good. So let's do a little montage. That's it for this video. I'm gonna go change out of this shirt and go put on a quarter zip to finish the exhaust video. It's gonna be funny because you guys are gonna see the exhaust video first before seeing this. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.